Hello everyone, welcome to the series of chakra healing meditation. Sixth chakra in our body is the third eye chakra. The third eye chakra in Sanskrit known as Ajna chakra. Ajna means command and perceiving. The third eye chakra is located at the eyebrow and the center point of your forehead where the third eye chakra is located. The color of this chakra is indigo and the element of this chakra is light. Light means the all four elements together, that is water, earth, fire and air. The Bij mantra of third eye chakra is Om. The importance of this chakra is that you feel clear, focused, determined, and you know the difference between the truth and the illusion, and you are open to receive wisdom and insight. So, the key characteristic of third eye chakra is wisdom, intuition, self-reflection, vision, logic, and creativity. Now, I will tell you the symptoms of the blocked third eye chakra: migraines, sciatica, insomnia, high blood pressure, hallucinations, mental fog, feeling overwhelmed, delusions, depressions, poor vision. All these are the symptoms if your third eye chakra is blocked. Now, if your third eye chakra is overactive, you will be very judgmental, overly analytical, anxiety, mental fog, mentally overwhelmed, excessive daydreaming, lack of clarity in thoughts. If your third eye chakra is underactive, you must be feeling of lack of confidence, fearful of the unknown, lack of intuition, unable to self-respect, unable to see past life illusions, disconnected from the universe. Now I will tell you, if your third eye chakra is balanced, you will be intuitive, you have a common sense, you are fast learner, you have a clear memory, you are intelligent, and you have a sense of spirituality. So these all are the symptoms where you can find that your third eye chakra is blocked, underactive, overactive, or it is balanced. The archangel related to your third eye chakra is Archangel Michael, and the crystal related to the third eye chakra is blue aventurine. The healing number related to the third eye chakra is 82 space 88 space 133. This healing number you have to write down on your left arm daily till you are practicing this third eye chakra for a week. Now we will start with our meditation. Sit comfortably. Hold the crystal in your left palm. Back straight. Both hands facing upwards, resting on your thighs. Close your eyes. We will start with our 3 breathing exercise. Inhale in. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale out. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Inhale in. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale out. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Again, inhale in. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale out. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Normalize your breathing and just center yourself. Focus on your breathing. Visualize the air coming inside your nostrils, making you calm, and going out from your nostrils, making you more peace, more calm, and more relaxed. Just focus on your breathing. Focus on your inner self. If any thought comes, let it come. Don't focus, don't entertain any thought. It will come and it will go by itself. You just focus on your breathing. Now shift your awareness above your head, top of your head. Center yourself. Visualize your third eye chakra at the center of your forehead. Visualize the blue circle inside your third eye chakra. The indigo light is coming inside your third eye chakra. Visualize Shiva is sitting inside your third eye chakra. Ask Shiva to remove all the blockages from your third eye, and visualize Archangel Michael sending the indigo light inside your third eye chakra. Your entire third eye chakra is filled with beautiful healing light. Feel the vibration between your eyebrows. Now we will start with the chanting of Om. You will hear the Bij mantra. Recite the mantra Om with the meditation. Maintain the silence. Visualize your third eye chakra is thoroughly cleansed, thoroughly energized, thoroughly active. Visualize the third eye chakra is rotating clockwise. Feel the vibration inside your third eye chakra. Balance the energy of your third eye chakra by saying balance 3 times. Balance, balance, balance. Now visualize your tip of your tailbone, your feet. Visualize the thick roots coming out from your tailbone, from your feet, and going deeper, deeper, deeper inside the Mother Earth. This is the connection between you and your Mother Earth. You are feeling safe, you are feeling grounded. Send all the excess energy from your feet to the Mother Earth. Ground yourself completely and thoroughly. Now, join your both hands in front of your chest. Thank Shiva to protect you, to clear your thoughts from any illusion. We will now say the affirmation 3 times. My spirit inside is clear. I know that all is well in my world. My thoughts are positive and true. Once again, my spirit inside is clear. I know that all is well in my world. My thoughts are positive and true. Last time, my spirit inside is clear. I know that all is well in my world. My thoughts are positive and true. Ask Archangel Michael to protect you and to be there with you. Rub your both palms. Place it on your eyes and open your eyes with a big, big smile. Practice this third eye chakra healing meditation entire week. Like this video, share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Megha Goyal. I am an astrologer, numerologist, past life therapist, Vastu consultant, psychic healer and a life coach. Angels love for everyone. Atma Namaste.